Today we are going to discuss the sex glands. Ovaries and testes produces hormones to develop sexual characteristics and maintain reproductive organs. Hormones of the sex glands. Here, gonads are the organs that produce gametes, that is sperm in males and oocyst in females. In addition to their reproductive function, the gonads secrete hormones. So here the gonads will be from male sexual cycle as well as from the female sexual cycle. So here from male, that is testosterone, that is the main sex male sex hormone, whereas in the cases of female sex hormone it includes estrogen and progesterone. Here ovarian hormones, that is from females, that is female reproductive system, that is estrogen and progesterone. Together with gonadotropic hormones of the anterior pituitary, it regulates the female reproductive cycle, regulates oogenesis, that is the formation of egg that generally releases while at the end of the menstrual cycle, which maintains the pregnancy, prepare the mammary glands for the lactation, that is after the birth of the baby, and promotes development and maintenance of female secondary sex characteristics. Next is relaxin, that increases the flexibility of pubic emphasis during the pregnancy and helps dilate uterine cervix during labor and the delivery. Third, that is inhibin. It inhibits the secretion of follicle stimulating hormones from anterior pituitary gland. So basically here it involves these three, that is estrogen, progesterone, next is relaxin and the inhibin. Next is testicular hormones, that is a part of male reproductive system. In that specific one main sex hormone, that is testosterone, releases from the testes, that is stimulates the descent of the testes before the birth. It regulates the spermatogenesis, that is the formation of sperm, how exactly it will be formed, that we will discuss during the next chapter, that is reproductive system. And it promotes the development and maintenance of male secondary sex characteristics. Second, that is inhibin. It inhibits the secretion of follicle stimulating hormone from the anterior pituitary gland. Next gland, that is thymus gland. The thymus gland is located beneath the sternum, that is the breastbone, and between the lungs. The thymus produces cells, that is lymphocytes, that is T lymphocytes, which play a role in body's defense mechanism. So it is a part of immune system. It even secretes thymosin, that is an amino acid based hormone that stimulates the formation of T cells, which help even in defense from the pathogens. Like the pineal gland, the thymus also starts to decrease in size around adolescence. Okay, third and the last, that is the pineal gland. Actually it is a cone shaped structure which is present just posterior to the midbrain. Okay, so it will be present on posterior to the midbrain. Next is it produces melatonin, and this melatonin is an important part of our regular sleep wake cycle, or in other terms we can call it as a biological clock which is present inside the body. Here in diagram we can see that where exactly it is present. See that pineal gland, that is just present below the that corpus callosum. Next is pituitary gland and the hypothalamus. So it influences the sleep wake cycles. It appears to delay the onset of puberty, and melatonin increases at night and decreases in the day. So over here melatonin will be increased at night. Once there will be a sunset, after that it may releases, so it may induces the sleep. This cycle releases helps regulate sleep, so it also maintains sleep. Okay, here we can see a summary where I have included all those glands, that is adrenal gland, from that cortex, medulla, these two. Next is from the ovaries, next is pancreas, parathyroid glands, pineal gland, pituitary gland, testes, thymus gland, and the thyroid gland. So we can say that this is what all about the endocrine system in response to their hormones as well as their physiological actions, or we can call it as a functions. So this is what I wanted to discuss with you. This is all about endocrine system. Thank you.